Welcome back to Solutions for Financial Independence. Joining me now, John Halterman with Beacon Wealth Management. How are you doing, John?
I'm doing great, Nikki. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. This week we have a question from Marcia in Bridgeport. She says, I recently met with an insurance salesman who told me I should buy whole life insurance to fund my retirement. Would you agree it could be an investment?
Marcia, that is very interesting because I hear those type of stories all the time. And let's first define what is whole life insurance, because that's a big deal. You know, at the end of the day, whole life insurance is an insurance policy that is probably the most expensive life insurance policy on the market. It does build up cash value, so I'm not going to dispute whether it builds up some cash value. But what we also have to know is there is a cost of insurance associated with it because it does offer a life insurance or a death benefit. So do I consider it to be an investment? No, I don't. You know, do I consider it to be something that can help add to the money you save? I do. But you know, I think one of the biggest problems out there, and you said the key word, salesmen. Salesmen go around all the time and they take a product that was designed to protect your family, and because it builds cash value, try to make you feel like it's a retirement plan. But but you got to make sure you understand that it's life insurance first, and there's a cost to that life insurance. And so when I think of an investment, I think of something to where, let's say you put in a couple $100s a month. Well, that couple $100s a month earns interest potentially. And when you earn money, you earn it from that principal. There's no other cost deducted from it. So I hear all the time people will say to me, hey, they told me I can make 5%. Well, you may be able to make 3 to 5% on the cash, but the cash is not everything that you put into it. So again, I'm not saying it doesn't build a little cash value, but do I consider an investment? Absolutely not. And if a salesman comes to you and says, hey, you should do this for your retirement, say no way. Get away from me.
All right, thank you, John. There's a lot there, folks. If you missed any of that, you can always find it online. Don't go anywhere. Much more for you after the break.